Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable auto-join hotspot on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, find the Wi-Fi. Then press. And in the Wi-Fi, first all you have to do is turn on the switch button to enable the other options. Then after that, find the auto-join hotspot, then click. And in the auto-join hotspot, if you want to disable, just press the never. And if you want to ask to join always, then click the ask to join. And if you want to be automatic, the auto-join hotspot, choose the automatic. And that's it. We have successfully enabled and disabled our auto-join hotspot on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.